this is Artisanette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. I'm here with another cooking tip for today. Listen, what's the difference between hot sauce and Tabasco? There isn't. Tabasco is actually a brand name and hot sauce is a generic term. So Tabasco sauce is hot sauce, but hot sauce is not Tabasco. The same company has been making this Tabasco sauce for over 100 years. They're so smart. Oh my God. Listen, it's different chilies and vinegar and spices, and they're all really not so hot. It's just different peppers. Hot sauce started in Mexico. Did you know that? Also, there's more hot sauce sold in the United States than barbecue sauce, mustard, ketchup, and mayo combined. Did you know that?